All right, so it is March 4th at 8:11 a.m. and this is what's happening. I have CIDS notifications. Wi-Fi network is unsafe, which means, as always, my phone joins a Wi-Fi network without permission. So it says Wi-Fi network is unsafe. The second notification down, and right here it shows that I have no Wi-Fi connection. All right, so right here it shows that I have no Wi-Fi connection. But over here it says Wi-Fi connection is unsafe. I know I have a Wi-Fi connection, I always do. And the other thing is that the recorder is connected. That's a live connection. And that's the recording software that I am using right now. All right, so there's I'm gonna go out of the, come back in. There is CIDS notification, Wi-Fi network is unsafe. I do have a Wi-Fi connection at this very moment that I'm speaking, even though the phone does not show that Wi-Fi is on. It automatically turns on. All right, so I'm going to stop recording now. Stop.